Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So I have finished all of my chores except for start the Roomba. And my room is basically clean. I just need to remove this pile of clothes here. But yeah, so good morning. I'm going to, whenever I finish that, I will start editing, or at least get everything going. So hi, so my video is saving. Right now, I have both of the doggaroos, sleeping. Anytime someone dogs, they wake up. She was snoring earlier though, and then I was trying to take a picture, and then she woke up. So yeah, but as you guys may know, no, I didn't actually talk about that, but I'm just trying to go through a couple, some clothes to make room. Well, I have this basket right here, and I kind of forgot what's in it, so there might be some stuff that I can get rid of. So we're gonna look through that today. Hey guys, what's up? I'm outside right now. I know that's kind of weird, but I just want to go check the mail. But I tried on my new shorts that I got before I left to camp. I didn't wear them at camp, but they're really awkwardly long and they don't look good, so I rolled them up and I think they look better. There's a lot of room right here, which is weird. But I have a white tank top with them and it doesn't look bad, so I'm kind of happy about that. But yes, the lighting out here is amazing and I'm enjoying it. So hey guys, what's up? So my mom just came over a little bit ago to get a mattress. So as you may know, me and Holly had bunk beds, and so putting them together, so Holly needs a mattress for the top. Now the bottom is a full, so I still get to keep my bed, but the top is a twin. So a little while ago, my dad lived in an apartment for about a year, and me and Tanner had twins. So whenever he moved back in here, I got the bed that was in the middle room, and my twin went upstairs. So since we need a twin bed for the top bunk, and this is not going to be a full-time, situation, so she came over and got that one. I just felt like you guys might want to know the whole story. There it is. Today's vlog is up. It's called Terrible Night of Sleep, and this is the shortest vlog I've ever uploaded. Boom. I do have one South Carolina vacation vlog that is 3 minutes and 43 seconds, but this one's 3 minutes and seconds. So yeah, there's that, and then I'm working on uploading a special video. I'm gonna hide some stuff, but it's at 15 seconds. Percent. It's at 15%, and it says it has 2 hours and 2 minutes, and it just keeps going up on for how long it has. So I don't know why. I've tried to cut down on all the tabs that I have open, and I just opened a new one so I could go look at my new video that I just uploaded 20 minutes ago. It has 1 view. Yay! I haven't even looked at it yet, so yes. Alright, I'm going to get back at it. I filmed a special video today as well, so I'm going to go ahead and start editing that so that I have time just to get that out of the way for whenever I want to upload it. Yeah. Hey guys, so my mystery video that I was uploading was not working. So I just tried to upload it again, and now it's smoothing it up. My goal is to eat by 6. It was by 5 to get the 16-hour fast to eat breakfast at 9. But, excuse me, I'm not even eating breakfast at 9. I'm eating breakfast later, and I'm not completely hungry right now. Excuse me. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna at least eat by 6, and that'll be good. So, it's either 10. so I can eat breakfast at least at 10. So I was just doing some cleaning of this. So if you guys, I don't know if I told you guys, I think I did. I cleared out this little area and rearranged these books so they all sit together. Got my chair back in here. I'm sitting on it because I had to put some things up there and in there, and I had to put my swimsuits up there. So everything's working smoothly. I need to find a place for these things. This thing's trash. And these things, and these things. Yeah, so the video is at 24%. It was at 22%, and so it's been up 2% since I started vlogging, and so that is fabulous. Okay, so I'm going to clean up this area now. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm about to go to bed. I just need to fill up my water bottle. So I don't remember when I finished eating. So at the, I had to be finished by 6. I know I didn't go past 6, so that means since I don't know, I can eat at 10 in the morning. But me and Tanner are going to my grandma's to do yard work, and I don't know when we're leaving, if we're leaving like early in the morning or what. So that can be like a little problematic because I can't eat until 10, and if I want to eat before we go over there, like that's not an option if it's early. But Tanner has like practice and he comes home at 9:30, so I'm hoping he has it tomorrow, because if he does, then he gets back at like 9:30, so that gives me more time. So if he doesn't answer, then I'm just gonna not set an alarm. Okay, because I texted him. But yes. Oh, I just scared her. That's funny. So we're about to go to bed. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can leave some love on it by liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're not already, we're at 30 subscribers the last I checked, so that's amazing. That was loud, and might get yelled out for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next vlog. Good night.